Hello everyone! Welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you a little bit of yoga. This was requested by one of my awesome subscribers. Although I am not a yoga teacher, I have been practicing yoga for over 25 years. And I have a love and a passion for it, and I will do yoga for the rest of my life. I wanted to share a basic yoga sequence because it's healthy. I also like to learn about other people's cultures, so I would like to extend my knowledge to you. Before we get started, please click like, subscribe, share with your friends, and if you want to strengthen your English speaking skills, check out my video course below so that you can practice by shadowing me. I have many hobbies in my life. Something that I've always wanted to do was to teach yoga. To become an excellent yoga teacher requires a lot of skill and time and dedication. So unfortunately, in this current life, I am not able to become a certified yoga teacher, but I can act like one today. Today, I'm going to do a sequence called sun salutation. And the Sanskrit term is Surya Namaskara A. The purpose of this sun salutation sequence is to celebrate the sun and everything that the sun has to offer to humans, such as providing warmth, and it brings nutrition to crops and plants, which we then will eat and ingest. There's many reasons to celebrate the sun, and this is something that has always resonated with me. When you say something resonates with you, it means that you believe in this as well, and it makes sense to you, and you agree. I'm going to attempt to show you how to do these yoga poses. I will do my best to describe how to get into each pose, and I would love for you to follow along with me, and I will say each pose in English form and Sanskrit. So get your yoga clothes on, something that is flexible, something that allows you to stretch, and let's go do yoga. Welcome to my yoga studio, which is my office. I'm going to teach you Sun Salutation A, or Surya Namaskara A. First, I will explain how the whole sequence goes, and then we can do it together. So first step is you close your eyes and put the palms of your hands together in prayer pose. So this is praying at the center of your heart. In Sanskrit, this is called samastitihi. And this is your opportunity to focus on your breath and breathing before you go into the sequence. So I will inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. Even though I am exhaling through the nose, I am making a sound in the back of my throat, And this type of breathing is called Ujjayi breathing. So again, inhale, exhale. Now I will blink open my eyes, and we are going to start with circling the arms up with a little back bend. This is called Urdhva Hastasana. So I inhale, exhale to Uttanasana. Then I inhale to Ardha Uttanasana, where I come halfway up, back down to Uttanasana. Next is Chaturanga Dandasana. I will bend my elbows and flip my feet so that I am in upward facing dog, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. My knees and my belly are off the ground. Now I will flip to Adho Mukha Svanasana. This is downward facing dog. And I will come back up to the top of the mat by placing one foot up and the other foot next to it, hip width apart, into Ardha Uttanasana. And this is Uttanasana. And I will circle my arms up back to Urdhva Hastasana and Samastitihi, which is hands at the heart center. I have never taught yoga before. This is a lot more difficult than I thought. But let's now try together, shall we? I'm going to turn the yoga mat a different way so that you can see a different angle. Okay. Hands at heart center, inhale, exhale, samastitihi. Release your hands and circle them above your head until your hands touch together and gently arch your back. And this is Urdhva Hastasana. And exhale down to Uttanasana. Inhale to Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale to Chaturanga Dandasana. Upward facing dog, inhale to Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale to downward facing dog, which is Adho Mukha Svanasana. And when you do downward facing dog, make sure you put your weight in the palm of your hands and stretch your feet down so that you are getting a nice stretch back here. Put one foot up and the other foot up, and you will come up halfway. Inhale to Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale to Uttanasana. Inhale to Urdhva Hastasana. And hands to the heart to Samastitihi. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's yoga lesson. I tried my best to teach you. It is my very first time teaching yoga. If you continue to do this and you focus on your breath, remember this is called Ujjayi breathing. It is extremely healthy for you. So I highly encourage you try to do this maybe in the morning to give you some energy, and let me know in the comments how you liked today's lesson. Please like, subscribe, share, and I thank you for your time. Namaste. Bye.